The demand for outdoor entertaining areas has skyrocketed over the past year to year and a half. And if you're thinking about either installing or replacing your outdoor entertainment area, you need to speak with Jamie Brenneman, Chattanooga Exteriors. Today we're focusing on the deck, literally, Trex decking. All right, tell us a little bit about this product.
Yeah, so Trex decking and composite decking have just, the demand for these have just skyrocketed. More people now are working from home, so they're spending more time at home, and so they want a nice outdoor area, or they're just tired of the maintenance of their wood deck. And so we're coming in and taking off their wood deck. Either we can take the whole deck down if the frame is bad, or we can leave the frame in place and replace the wood rails and the wood decking. And so this product gives you, there's a good, better, best of composite decking, and Trex has all those covered. And so what we do is we sit down with you and say, okay, do you like this board, or do you like that board? Do you like this railing? Do you like that railing? And we could sort of build you and design you a deck that fits your budget and also your design needs. And so it's a great product. I mean, once you have it down, all you do is just hose it off when it gets dirty, and that's it.
And that's what I love about it is, I mean, you mentioned the durability. It's going to last for a long time. But as a homeowner, the maintenance, you're not having to, restain or repaint your deck. Literally, like you said, just hose it off. And I want to talk about also, because we've talked about this before, I have a dog, a rather large dog. So, with my traditional wooden deck, it doesn't look great because he's running around on it. That's not anything we have to worry about.
No, they've got scratch resistance, and there's different levels of scratch resistance. So if somebody has a dog, I usually will tell them, hey, this is the most scratch resistant board. And then they usually go with that. Or if they like something better, then we typically go with that as well. So it's really, you have a lot of different options, because the main part of a deck is enjoying it and not maintaining it.
And also, we don't have to worry about splinters, especially with little feet, right?
So we use a hidden fastener with this as well. So a lot of times people will see nails and screws. We use a hidden fastener in this, and then you don't have any splinters.
Perfect. So you can really create an environment that the entire family can enjoy. And you mentioned the different style options. I know as soon as somebody meets with you, you're going to break those down. But everything from different handrails, lights built in, tons of different colors. And you can make it work and make the outdoor space of your dreams.
So when we come out to meet with you, we will have all those colors, we'll have brochures, we'll have samples of everything for you, and so we can really do everything right there at your home in a couple hours and get this going and get your products ordered and get your deck installed.
Perfect. All right, Jamie, what's the best way to get started with you?
You just give us a call at 805-3800, or go to our website at ChattanoogaExteriors.com. Go to the contact form, and we'll be in touch with you.
Perfect. All right, we'll talk to you again soon.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time on The Deck.